thanks to all of you. Myself Ashutosh Tripathi, and I joined this case spider from January 2023. And when I come here, I meet the first lecture I have attended of Mr. Sambhu sir. That lecture was too much impressive, and their way of explaining is very natural. So I got interest on Java, and from here I meet further faculties. They are more supportive, and its location is also good because there are many low cost facilities they are available, and it's very good from all of ways. So finally, today I have got placed at DXL Technologies, and there are our faculties are very supportive, like HR and reception handlers and our trainers are have good knowledge and supportives, and that's all.